Hello everyone, welcome to our Fun with Chinese and Paper Folding series. Have you traveled in a boat before? Today we are going to learn about a special boat used in Zhejiang Province, China. Its name is Wupeng boat. There are many famous signature boats in different places around the world. In the West, for example, there are gondolas in Venice, Italy. There are punts in Cambridge, Britain. While in the water towns of Zhejiang Province, China, these Wupeng boats have been the major water vehicle for transportation since 2,000 years ago. Can you tell the main difference between Wupeng boat and the other boats? Yes, it's the awning or covering on top of it. And many times there are more than just one. What do you think is the use of the awning? Yes, obviously it can shelter the passengers from rain or sunshine. It also gives a sense of privacy for people who want to take a rest during a boat trip. In fact, this awning also gave the boat its name, as Wupeng boat in Chinese is Wupeng Chuan, where Wupeng literally means black awning and the Chuan means boat. Let's read the Chinese name of Wupeng boat again. Wupeng Chuan. Brilliant. Most of these Wupeng Chuan are painted with black oil, as the black color seems to be more harmonious with these waterways as well as the buildings on the two sides. Although there are Wupeng Chuan which are not painted as well. The awning is made of bamboo and is not high enough for people to stand underneath it. They can only sit or lie down under the awning, which has made a private resting corner in this little boat, like a tent in a boat. Wupeng Chuan is also driven manually by the boatman. It's not fast, but very flexible. Today, many tourists would like to take a ride in a Wupeng Chuan and go through the numerous twisting narrow waterways or under countless delicate bridges, enjoying the picturesque views around them and becoming part of this beautiful and peaceful landscape themselves. Apart from its own comfy and relaxing nature, Wupeng Chuan is also regarded as a romantic token in a famous Chinese folk tale called The Legend of the White Snake. It's a story about two snake spirits, one white and one green, who transformed into two beautiful women and lived like human beings. One day, they spotted a man called Xu Xian traveling on a Wupeng Chuan in the West Lake of Hangzhou, Zhejiang Province. The white snake fell in love with him at first sight. The green snake used her magic to let it rain and called for Xu Xian and the boatman to offer them a ride. The two snakes were able to shelter from rain in the Wupeng Chuan while getting acquainted with Xu Xian sitting next to them. When they arrived at their destination, Xu Xian was very gentle and kind to lend the girls his umbrella, and thus a romantic love story began, followed by a lot of twists and turns, yet fortunately finalized with a happy ending. Okay, after learning so much interesting things about Wupeng Chuan, let's say something about the character for boat. Chuan. Chuan has always had a left and right structure. If you look at the earliest known form of this character, you will find its left part looks like a small boat, while its right part looks like the cross-section of a waterway. Put a boat and a waterway together, it means the boat will travel with the water flow. So, the original meaning of this character is a boat moving along the waterway. In fact, the left part, zhou, still means a small boat today, and the right part, yan, means to go along with. but today, 船 is only used for boats or ships. Here, the two meanings of the two components are combined to explain the meaning of the entire character. So, 船 is a typical associative character. Now, why don't we try to write down 船 together? Start from the left and follow the strokes. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 strokes altogether. Have you remembered the character 船 already? Now, let's make some cute paper 乌篷船 by ourselves.
Hello everyone! Did you notice there are two kinds of 乌篷 boat, 乌篷船 I just showed you? One of them is like this, with an awning on each end of the boat. Another one is like this, with an awning in the middle of this boat. Now I'm going to show you how to make both of them with one A4 sized paper. Now let's go!